The first shipment of a China-developed potential COVID-19 vaccine has now arrived in Brazil for the third phase of clinical trials. The vaccine candidate has been developed by the Beijing-based Sinovac Life Sciences in collaboration with Brazilian Research Institute Butantan. The vaccine candidate named CoronaVac is one of the few drugs to have advanced the Phase-3 of trials, which involves a large-scale testing procedure on humans and is the last step before regulatory approval. The first batch of these drugs will be given to some 900 volunteers, including doctors and paramedics in Sao Paulo. The initial trial results are expected within 90 days, and if the vaccine is proven safe and effective, then the Butantan Institute in Brazil will have the right to produce 120 million doses under its deal with Sinovac. Chinese companies lately have been collaborating with international partners to test their vaccine candidates. China-developed vaccines have been moved out to countries such as Bangladesh, Canada and Brazil, as well as the UAE for the final phase of trials. The question is, why is China conducting these tests in other nations? The answer is rather simple. The third and final phase of testing can only be done in areas where the virus is still spreading. The first two phases of clinical trial are mostly to test the safety and can be done even at those places where the virus is not spreading that fast and cases are less in number. But the stage 3 is aimed at determining the effectiveness of the vaccine. It involves a large number of people who are currently infected with a live strain of the virus. Hence, it can only be done at those places where the virus is still infecting a large number of people. While China was the initial hotspot of the pandemic, it has now largely managed to control the spread. Currently, there are not that many positive coronavirus cases in China for testing to be done. Hence, a phase 3 trial cannot be carried out in China simply because there are not enough candidates to test the effectiveness of this potential vaccine. Brazil and Bangladesh are two nations where coronavirus cases are on the rise, and they provide a large enough sample size for the trials to take place. We all want